today I'm gonna be replacing the factory hood struts on the LS430. Unfortunately, they gave out on me, so this is pretty much what I'm dealing with. As I go to open up the hood, it just keeps on falling, does not stay in place. So I'm gonna show you guys pretty much how I'm gonna be replacing that.
Crikeys, mate. Look at that dog right there, mate. That's what you call a Great Dane, mate.
But anyways, guys, so these are the hood struts. This one I got off of Parts Geek for around $35 shipped. I would have got the second one, but they ran out of stock on these ones, so I went to my local AutoZone and picked up the Mighty Lift. But they're pretty much the same thing. Go ahead and pop this out. Show you guys pretty much like OEM hood strut kind of. Shows you the instructions on the back of how to assemble it. So let's get into the video. Let's get started. Alright, so pretty much it comes with these two screws that you insert into this area right here, and then the only other thing you will need is a 12 millimeter wrench, and all you're gonna do is pretty much go left for loose, and let's take this off. Also, just make sure you guys have something to support your hood. I have this pole right here, just in case. Once I take this one off, it keeps the hood stable, so that way it doesn't fall. Alright guys, so old one's off. Not really sure how to tell if it's, useful or not. But like I said, I got the new one right here. The new one, it comes with the screw, and also it comes with this washer. So just make sure you put that on, and then pretty much put it, hook it back onto the car. So let's get started on that process. Alright, real quick, to save you guys some installation time. So remember how I told you guys that it comes with, let me see if it focuses. Okay, how it comes with this screw right here that goes inside the strut itself. So what you're gonna do is, I would screw this on first, and then this ball part, that is what you would attach. So the ball part will attach in here. So to save you guys some time, I would probably just screw this in first and then attach this. It pretty much would just clip on there. So just a helpful tip. Alright, so I got that one in, and then that one right there is in. So the next thing you guys are gonna want to do, put you guys back on the tripod, sorry about that. Alright, so next thing you guys are want to do is pretty much just connect them. Like I said, they should snap in place. So the gas shock part is going to be up. So just line it up. That one's already in there. And then same thing with this one. Just line it up. That one's in there. So, I mean, just with that one side, it's staying up by itself now. But I'm still gonna go ahead and replace that side also. So you'll pretty much want to do the same steps. What you could do, which I found to be a little bit easier, is you could just pop off these retainer clips right here. So there's one, another one, and then that would leave the ball that's in there still in the hood, attached to the hood. And then the only thing you have to do is just, you know, with your new one, just click it, just, you know, attach it. So I'm pretty much gonna go ahead and do the other side. Alright. Let's do this. So that retainer clips popped off. See how it just pops right out? So let me put that hole that I had in. Let me put that back. Make sure it's secure. Alright. Let's get back over here. So with the flathead, just pop that retainer clip off. And then the old one's out just like that. The new one already comes pre-greased, so you could still use the same screws that are in there. And like I said, make sure this part's up, this part's down. So pretty much go ahead, line that up. That's popped in. Around. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the real test, which is remove the stick, and voila, stays up by itself, no issues. So if you guys enjoyed that video, make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment down below if you guys have any questions.